So today I'm going to unwrap everyone's favorite Secret Garden key collection. It's always a treat for the eye, the colors, the embroidery, everything. And this time you will see the entire front embroidered this beautifully. Not much of an effort to put in for it. So I love the gradient dyeing. Just check it out. और ये है जी आइवरी बोटानिका की sleeves का fabric in the same gradient dyeing. Lovely, isn't it? आगे जो ये इसकी printed आपकी gradient dyeing में ही back. Now, moving on to this beautiful part of the outfit is this organza पे embroidered motifs हैं for the sleeves. Look at it, so beautifully and intricately embroidered in this beautiful combination, very uplifting tones. And of course, ये आ गए हमारे tassels for the neckline. I love it. They're so pretty. Always creatively done. और ये है जी हमारी crochet की laces. These two will be used for the finishings of the outfit, of course. And then we have this. Okay, so now we have two organza के panels for the left and right of the outfit. So this is beautiful. अब अपने front पे बस आपको ये applique कराना है. And your neckline and everything is sorted with it. ये आ गया हमारा दूसरा panel. And not just this, we have this gorgeous, gorgeous neckline. I love how it's done. Just check it out. The beautiful, delicate designing, the embroidery, the color combinations, very uplifting. और फिर है जी हमारा ये sleeves के आगे के लिए. ये दोनों motif sleeves के आगे organza के. Oh my God, I love the chiffon की printed sleeves. These digitally printed, dupatta sleeves, can you? Is so gorgeous. Just check out the beautiful color tones. Lovely. It's all floral, beautifully done. And of course, the trouser fabric. Ivory Botanica is definitely a lovely one. And now I'm going to unwrap Nocturne Flora for you. This one definitely holds a special place in my heart. I love it. And I'm sure you will too. It gives a very pret vibe. And I love the embroidery. Just check it out. Isn't this beautiful? Delicately yet very, very creatively crafted for you. So ये आ गया हमारा एक side का panel. Then of course the other one. ठीक है जी, ये भी पूरा length में है. And then we have this for the center panel. I love how it's done. Just check out. ये घेरे से ऊपर हमारा इस तरह जा रहा है. I love the dainty floral motifs. And of course the very delicate and beautiful embroidery. So this is light and breezy and yet very pretty. अच्छा जी, ये है हमारी embroidered organza lace. You can use it over the sleeves ends or maybe आपने अगर अपने trouser की finishing पे लगाना है तो even there you can get this applique. So this is gorgeous, gorgeous and very pretty. Okay जी, the next part is this beautiful organza की हमारी embroidered बहुत ज़्यादा लेस है जो कि आपके घेरे और चाक के ऊपर तक आप आराम से इसको एप्लीक करा के फिनिश कर सकते हो अपने आउटफिट को, right? And then of course our crochet lace, just check it out. This beautiful one is for the finishings of the outfit. Oh nice. So this is for the finishings, ये आपके embellishments के तौर पे use होगा. This accessory is as a 3D flower, so where you can put it? Maybe here to see. चाक की finishings जहाँ हो रही हैं or anywhere else. So totally your call, but this would look beautiful if you put it there to give it a complete finished look. अच्छा जी, ये आ गया हमारे collar के लिए embroidered organza. So collar कैसे? Just check out. This is very in these days. I'm loving these collars on the outfits and this is really, really trendy and so pretty. उसके बाद जी next part है हमारा neckline. This is a different one and so pretty. Just check it out. Yep, the neckline पे करा लिया applique and with this you have these beautiful tassel buttons which are going to definitely enhance the look of your outfit. The back and of course the sleeves of the outfit. And not just that, we have this gorgeous chiffon ka digitally printed dupatta. Just check it out. Perfect summer foil. Love the color combinations, love the print on it, the florals, the feel of the fabric. It's just so soft and breezy. And of course, the trouser fabric. Nocturne Flora, definitely. और अब हम unbox करेंगे Velvet Ivy. You will love the color combinations, the embroidery. I am darn sure of it. So just have a look at it. Isn't this pretty? ये देखिए जी. बहुत ही प्रिटी कश्मीरी एम्ब्रॉयडरी वाली वाइब आ रही है, डेलिकेट, बिल्कुल ही बारीक सी एम्ब्रॉयडरी, गर्मियों में चाहिए भी ऐसी होती है, लाइट सी, विच इज नॉट हैवी ऑन द क्लोथ्स, यू डोंट फील इट एंड यू कैन ब्रीथ थ्रू द क्लोथ्स, राइट? सो दिस ब्यूटीफुल एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड फ्रंट पैनल इज राइट देयर फॉर यू। और इसके बीच के लिए उन्होंने हमें करोशिये के इंसर्ट किया हुआ, विच लेट मी शो इट टू यू। आई सो इट, यस, सो हियर इट इज। वी विल बी यूजिंग दिस एज द इंसर्ट हेयर, और इसके साथ एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड ऑर्गेन्जा है टू मेक द नेकलाइन ब्यूटिफुल एंड प्रोमिनेंट। ठीक है, वो भी मैं दिखा देती हूँ उनको, ताकि साथ साथ हो जाए। यस, सो दिस इज प्रीटी मच देयर। कैन यू सी दिस? दिस ब्यूटिफुल डेलिकेटली एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड ऑर्गेन्जा विल बी यूज्ड विद दिस टू एनहांस द नेकलाइन। अच्छा, ये साथ जो हमारी काफी ज्यादा करोशिया की लेसेस नहीं है, सी, लेट मी टेल यू, दीज करोशिया लेसेस आर फॉर द नेकलाइन, फॉर द स्लीव्स, फ्रॉम द फ्रंट एंड बैक पैनल, फॉर द ट्राउजर। और ये आप देख सकते हो आपके दो जब साइड वाले पैनल्स अटैच होंगे उधर भी इंसर्ट होगा। ठीक है, सो ये है आपका पूरा बंडल ऑफ करोशिया लेसेस। माय गॉड, इतनी ज्यादा, वाओ, आई लव करोशिया लेसेस एंड these bundles fascinate me for sure, just like a little kid. Now we have this one, which is a side panel हमारा है, ठीक है जी, you can see. And then of course ये है हमारा sleeves के लिए embroidered fabric, ठीक है जी, and this is the side panel, ठीक है जी, और एक ये है side panel. So these two are for the left and right panels, और वो आ गया हमारा sleeves का fabric. Now let's play around with the rest of the stuff, and this is here. आपके घेरे की जो उन्होंने चौड़ी एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड लेस दी है उसके ऊपर ये एप्लीक होगा टू गिव इट अ कंप्लीट बिग घेरा लुक लाइक दिस। कैन यू सी? ये आपका घेरे की उन्होंने लेस दी हुई है और इसके ऊपर ये आपका पैच जा रहा है जो ऊपर जा रहा है, ठीक है जी। ये दोनों साइड्स का आ गया, लेफ्ट और राइट का, ये आ गया इन दोनों के बीच के सेंटर में आएगा, और इन दोनों के नीचे, तीनों के नीचे बल्कि, ये आ गया आपके आगे और बैक के दामन के लिए embroidered organza lace, which is going to be applied on the दामन ऑफ द शर्ट, राइट? उसके बाद उन्होंने आपको एक बहुत ही प्यारे एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड ऑर्गेन्जा के कटआउट्स दिए हैं, विच यू कैन यूज लाइक दिस। कैन यू सी हियर? आपने कहीं कहीं इसको प्लेस कर सकते हो इफ यू वांट, एंड दिस इज गोइंग टू एनहांस द ओवरऑल, यू नो, creativity and overall look of the outfit. Now moving on is this. ये आ गई आपकी स्लीव्स के एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड लेस। Oh my god, I love it. Just check out the detailing. The delicate detailing, single knots, just check it out. I love it. Very, very handwork वाली look, और बहुत ही कश्मीरी एम्ब्रॉयडरी वाली look आ रही है, and very pretty tones. And of course, these very beautiful customized tassel buttons for your neckline. As usual, Mushk is giving it for you. You are going to love it. और ये आ गई जी हमारी gradient dyed back. And then our beautiful digitally printed chiffon के दुपट्टा. Chiffon dupattas have my heart always in summers. Summers में कुछ और लेने को दिल नहीं करता. Something light, breezy, and this beautiful, of course, makes the summers definitely bearable and lovely for everyone around. इस वक्त तो खैर lovely का, लेकिन bearable ही हो जाए, and you can look pretty, so you can only do that with hemline for sure. So go for Velvet Ivy, and you are going to. और अब मैं आपके लिए अनरैप कर रही हूँ ल्यूमा ब्लूम। ओ माय गॉड, आई लव दिस कलर। द बेस कलर इज ब्यूटिफुल, very, very pretty deep red for perfect summer evenings. And then, of course, it is totally, totally effortless stitching. Your tailor is going to love it. You are going to love it because इसमें कोई आपके लिए appliques hardly कोई है. It's all completely done over it for you. Just look at it. Beautiful embroidery, light. It might not look to you, but it's very light to the touch, very, very breathable. Just look at it. And I love the color combination and the embroidery. ये है हमारी front. And then guys, ये है हमारी front की पूरी finishings के लिए चाक, घेरा, neckline. This is just this one that you need to use. And then of course हमारी back का fabric. I love the sleeves. The sleeves are gorgeous, gorgeous. Just look at it. Beautiful embroidery for the sleeves. Okay, now, सिर्फ sleeves के आगे अगर अपनी finishing पे लगाना है, आप लगा सकते हो, right? But if you don't want to use it, you love it just as it is, you can easily go for this one on the trouser. But I love it just like this. Just look at it. It's giving a very nice, complete pret type vibe. So I would go for it this way, but you can definitely go for it on the trousers as well. ये है जी हमारे घेरे के लिए चौड़ी lace, and that's it. No other patches to applique on, right? Beautiful embroidery on it, delicate work, delicate designing, and of course the crochet lace for the finishings. And these gorgeous customized tassel buttons. They are such a beautiful one and definitely highlights each and every mushk hemline jora. Then the chiffon. I'm loving this collection. They have most of the collection has chiffon dupatta so far. So I'm loving it. Just check out the dupatta. Beautifully digitally printed, breezy, beautiful. The color combination is lovely. Just be besotted with it. You have the right. You are going to love Luma Bloom because और अब हम अनरैप करने लगे हैं Whispering Ivy. I love the base color. This is olive green. It might not look olive green in the light you are having in the video, but it's a very beautiful and pretty shade of olive green. Perfect for summers, not too bright, not too light, just perfect summer foil, right? So, oh God, I love the embroidery. Just check it out. ये है जी अच्छा इसकी भी बहुत ही effortless stitching है. You have just these 3 panels. Just look at it. These right, left panels. Beautiful, delicate embroidery. I love. Just check out these dainty stitches on the embroidery. My God, this is gorgeous. So, and just check out the blue and green ka combination. It's always such a pretty one. So, you get one panel, then the other panel, and then our center panel. So let's open it up and see. Yeah, Gaji Hamara center panel. I love it. Oh my God, I love the embroidery and the color combination on this one. Rightly so, very beautiful. And this is for the collar. I'm loving this collection because इसमें आजकल बहुत collar in हुआ है and they have definitely beautifully incorporated the concept. So look at this design. This is going to be on your collar. Isn't this pretty? Just check out the organza का आपके collar की embroidery. This is here for you. And ये इन्होंने शायद shoot की picture में if you see it's put on the trouser because the shirt is made into a sleeveless for the shoot. But of course, this is for the sleeves. If you are making it sleeveless or you don't want it on the sleeves, so you can definitely put it on the trouser too. This is beautifully embroidered. बहुत ही pretty इसका भी pattern है. Then we have this. I love the effortless stitching you will have. This is gorgeous. Just check it out. Beautiful daman की embroidery for front and back. Love it. And then we have this. ये आपने अपने चाकों पे यूज करने हैं आपके ऊपर तक चाकों पे जाएगा आपके दामन पे आएगा स्लीव जहां जहां लगाना है you can easily put it. I love the embroidery. Just check it out. My God, this is so pretty. Love the color combination. Love the embroidery techniques used. I love the designing on this one. So bravo to the team. And of course, the back of the fabric and sleeves. ये है हमारी customized tassels. Oh my God, you are going to love these. Just look at it. The shells, the organza ball buttons, and the tassels beautifully incorporated into this customized tassel design, which no other designer would be giving to you. And then this gorgeous Hamara chiffon ka digitally printed dupatta. Love it. Oh my God, this more than flora, this is fauna, and this is beautiful, isn't it? The color combination and the soft feel. And the best part is you beach me here in Isra print pay, and then this is very beautifully incorporated, and of course the trouser fabric. So Whispering Ivory, I think, is another. और अब हम unbox करेंगे this pretty pink outfit, Rosewood Secret. I love the base color. This is perfect summery one. I think girls are definitely going to love it. वैसे तो मैं भी I think would want to go for it, but definitely a favorite one for most of the young girls. Perfect color for them. So look at the beautiful embroidery. This is effortless one design once again. Just check out. It's all over embroidery already done for you. I love this. Just check it out. Beautifully, delicately done. And then of course the neckline. बहुत ही pretty chicken wala effect दे रहा है. Very nice, right? And then we have this for the sleeves in the back, right? Now let's open the interesting parts. So ये है जी हमारी घेरे और चाकों की फिनिशिंग्स के लिए बहुत ही pretty organza की लिए सॉरी काफी ज्यादा लेंथ में provided है. So this is one of the few things that you will have to just get appliqued on. This is for the neckline. ये हमारे नेकलाइन पे आएगी और इसके साथ हम इनकॉर्पोरेट करेंगे हमारी क्रोशिया की जो ये मल्टीपल लेसेस उन्होंने दी है उनमें से एक. सो वी हैव क्रोशिया लेसेस फॉर द स्लीव्स. हमारी 2 किस्म के यू कैन सी बहुत ही ब्यूटिफुली डन स्लीव्स हैं. देन वी हैव फॉर द साइड स्लिट्स, फॉर द फ्रंट पैनल, फॉर द नेक लाइन. सो दिस इज क्वाइट अ लॉट ऑफ इट. खोल के भी दिखाऊंगी तो काफी ज्यादा है. यू आर गोइंग टू लव दिस बैक. सो ये आगे जाके क्रोशिया के लेसेस. दिस इज फॉर द स्लीव्स. अब नाउ यू वुड वांट टू नो हाउ. You can clearly see here ये हमारी स्लीव्स के आगे इस साथ क्रोशिया की लेस लगी हुई है. देन नेक्स्ट स्लीव्स की हमारी ये है और इसके साथ ऊपर एक हमारी क्रोशिया की एक और लेस है. राइट, Yeah, and oh my God, I'm loving these. Check out these beautiful pearl organza ball tassel buttons. Just check this out for the neckline. I love it. Very, very pretty, vintagey. And then we have this very nicely done up, आपका digitally printed chiffon का दुपट्टा. Just check it out. I love these people chiffon ke dupattas. Check it out. Delicate, light, not too much on going on it. ये हमारे ट्राउजर का फैब्रिक एंड नॉट जस्ट दैट वी हैव फॉर द ट्राउजर शलवार बनानी है पैंट्स बनानी है दिस एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड ऑर्गेन्जा पैटर्न टू बी appliqued on. So this beautiful one, rosewood secret